Hello dear aspirants, this is Dr. Sourav Sir's classes. Our contact number is 98367930076. Again, I am repeating our contact number, which is 98367930076, and our email ID is souravsirclasses@gmail.com. So if you have any mathematical queries, doubts, or anything, so please feel free to contact on this number. So you can, that means you can call on this number, or you can WhatsApp also. Rather, you can drop an email to our email ID, which is souravsirclasses@gmail.com. So you can join our regular batches, one-on-one sessions, and our online classes, so that will be beneficial for your preparation of upcoming mathematical examinations like ISI, CMI, TIFR, NBHM, etc. So please feel free to contact if you need any help from us. Okay, so now we are going to solve a mathematical problem which is appeared in the year of 2024, and in the question paper of 2000, in the question paper of PUMDET, and the question is telling us that we have to consider the function fx is equals to square root of 2 plus x for x greater than equals to minus 2, and the iteration xn plus 1 is equals to f of xn, where our n is greater than equals to 0 and x naught is equals to 1. What are the possible limits of the iteration? So there are four options here, which are 0, minus 1, 2 and 1. Okay. So now we are given the function which is, let me adjust the screen. Okay, so now we can write that. So what are the given function to us? So the function is f of x is equals to square root of 2 plus x. Okay, so now for that will be x greater than equals to minus 2. Now the iteration formula will be what? X n plus 1 is equals to, that will be f of xn, that means that will be root over of 2 plus xn, with the initial condition which is our x naught is equals to 1, which is given in the question. Okay, so now we are going to find the fixed points. So we will get x equals to root over of 2 plus x. So that is what? So that will be x square equals to 2 plus x. Rather, we can write that will be x square minus x minus 2 is equals to 0. Then we are going to use the middle term factorization in to solve this question, or to solve this quadratic equation. So then we will get now x into, that will be x minus 2 plus, that will be plus 1 into x minus this. Okay, so then we will get, that will be our x plus 1 into, that will be x minus 2 equals to 0. So now we can write it as x equals to minus 1 comma 2. Okay, so now we can tell that, so the solutions, that means the fixed points are 2 and minus 1. Okay, so now we are going to check the validity of that. Since the function is only defined for x greater than equals to minus 2, so both fixed points x equals to 2 and x equals to minus 1 are within the domain. So now we are going to verify the convergence of the iteration. So now we are going to determine stability. So we have to check this thing. I have to write with another color, so that will be easier to see. So now, yeah, mod of f dash x at the fixed point. So we will get, so that is equals to what? That is equals to mod of 1 by 2 into root over of this. As we know that the derivative of root over of 2 plus x is equals to 1 by 2 into root over of 2 plus x. Okay, so at x equals to 2 we will get that means at our f dash 2, that will be 1 by 2 into this, so that will be 1 upon 4. Okay, so since our mod of f dash this, since our mod of f dash 2 is less than 1, so the iteration is stable at x equals to 2, meaning that our 2 is an attractive fixed point. So now for minus 1, x equals to minus 1, we will get f dash of minus 1 is equals to then 1 by 2 plus root over of 2 minus 1, so that will be 1 by 2 plus root over of 1, so that will be 1 upon 3. Okay, so now we can tell that our f dash minus 1, modulus of f dash minus 1 is also, I have done some mistake here. Okay, so that will be into. Okay, so that will be 1 upon, that means our, yeah. So now I can tell that, so that will be what? So our modulus of f dash 1, sorry, f dash minus 1 is also less than 1. So this is also an attractive fixed point. So now we are going to find the possible limits of that. So since both x equals to 2 and x equals to minus 1 are attracting fixed points, the sequence xn may converge to either of these values depending on the initial condition. Now for x not equals to 1, we have to check the iterations. So let me first, okay. So now we can say that x1 is equals to f of 1, then we will have root over of 2 plus 1, so that will be root over of 3, which is 1.732. Approximate value will be 1.732. So now our x2 will be what? X2 will be f of root over 3. So that will be root over of this plus this. Oh, observing the trend, we see that the sequence is increasing and will approach the larger fixed point, which is x is equals to 2. So find the final answer will be the only possible limit for the given iteration starting at x naught is equals to 1. That will be our 1. So sorry, that will be our 2. So the correct answer of this question, so which is uh, so what are the possible limits of the all of iteration? So that will be our option C, which is 2. Okay, so again I am telling that if you have any other mathematical queries, doubts or anything, so please feel free to contact on this number. That means you can call or WhatsApp also, rather you can drop an email to our email ID which is written in the screen. Then you can enjoy all the services of Dr. Sourav Sir's classes, like our one-on-one sessions, our regular batches, our online classes, our mock test series also. So please feel free to contact if you need any help from us. Okay, so thank you guys, hope you understood. Thank you.